Hey, good morning everybody. Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We got a house wash on the job schedule for today, and driveway and sidewalk area, and I think a pool deck. They're supposed to let me know, but we'll find out when we get there. At any rate, we'll see you at the job site. Alright guys, so here we are at the job site. We got a 3-car driveway, sidewalk, and walkway. I'll walk you around and show you what we got. So, that sidewalk up to right along there, that's the end. You can see where the neighbor did theirs. And then back through here, 3-car driveway up to right there where the hose is. And I talked to the customer already. We're going to come back and do house cleaning and gutter brightening after the holidays. You can see how bad they are. Definitely need to be done. And then we're going to hit this sidewalk today too, up to the front. I told her we'd spray some of this off for her too. We're not doing a house cleaning today, but at least get some of that green off. And then down here, there is some spray paint. They had a contractor doing some work, and I don't know why they laid some material out here and spray painted and got overspray all over the brick. So we're going to use some Taganator on that and see if that will come off too. But at any rate, that's our job for this morning. So let's get moving. Okay, so we're all done here. Let's walk through. I'll show you how it came out. There's the sidewalk. If you remember, all that was black. Come back through here. Driveway. Probably can't see much because of the shadows or the shade, but anyway, there's the walkway. One up to the front door. Well, that looks really good. Really nice. She wants us to come back and do the gutters. I think I showed this to you before. They're pretty bad up there. And they look like they're filled with a lot of debris. So I'm gonna do the gutters, house wash, and I'm gonna turn this around. Gutters, house wash, and pool cage, and sealing the pavers on the pool deck as well. So at any rate, so we will see you at the next job. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing.